Hi everyone!
Hey everybody!
Thanks for picking up a DIY ghost or pumpkin kit from Words on Wood. For this project, we will be painting our pumpkins and ghosts, applying the pumpkin and ghost stencils to the wood projects, removing the transfer paper, painting within the stencil, removing the stencil once it's dry, and enjoying our new projects.
So your first step is to take your paint and put it on a little dish, and then with your sponge brush, you're going to paint the whole surface of your pumpkin or your ghost.
You can also paint the edges if you'd like. When you're done painting, they should look like this.
Your next step is to apply your stencil. Your stencil has transfer paper on it. You're going to face it face down on the table, and very slowly you are peeling off the white backing. As you do so, you want to make sure that the mint colored vinyl stays down. So if anything starts to pop up, use the white paper to push it back down. Just like that.
The next step is to apply your stencil. So if you look at your wood piece, you can line up the ghost's hand with the right side. Pumpkin can line up either way because the face is just pretty much in the middle. You're going to lay it down onto your wood project just like this.
Oh, it's so cute.
Once you have the stencil where you want, you're going to take this white squeegee and squeegee over the stencil, this time sticking it to the wood. Wrinkles and bubbles are okay because your next step is to slowly take the clear paper off. Low and slow is the key. It should look like this when you're done.
Now it's time to paint. So for the pumpkin, I'm going to start with the black paint, and it's very important that you use very little. So we're dipping our brush in the paint and then on a paper plate or dish and then blotting it off. You want to blot it off till your brush looks dry.
I'm also starting with the black paint because I'm going to paint the face of my ghost and the hand, and then just to this handle here in black. The rest will be orange where the pumpkin basket is.
And when you paint, you're just dab, dab, blot it right on there. See how much paint is on there? It looked like there was hardly anything because I blotted it off really well. And then when you're ready, you go back for a little more, blot it off again, and keep going. It's so much fun.
If you take a look at mine, I stopped painting right to where the basket handle is. Now I'm going to switch and get another brush, dip a little bit into the orange, and blot it. I'm going to make sure you blot it a lot so there's not a lot of paint. And then we're just going to fill in the trick-or-treat basket.
And when I'm done painting the black, I'm going to use another brush and dip it in the green, blot it off, and paint the stem. When you're done painting, it should look like this. So you're going to wait until it's dry.
Okay.
When it's dry, you're going to grab the corner and slowly peel it off.
It's okay if it breaks.
It's okay if it doesn't.
And you can just go in and take these little pieces out. And then there's little dots in the eyes. And you are all finished. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween, everybody.